Hello, SOL and SORP scholars. It's me, Magister Beck, and Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, this week for week 29. I would like to just, what am I trying to say? Tell you the difference between the two different kinds of stretches we've done on campus, and you guys have probably done on your own. There's static stretching and dynamic stretching. Static stretching is like me grabbing my foot, pulling it to my butt to stretch out my quadricep, and just holding it for 30 seconds. Holding it for 30 seconds. Maybe. It's basically anything you're holding for 30 seconds. So if I want to stretch my hamstrings, I'm going to bend down and try to touch my toes and hold it for, I don't know, 15, 20, 30 seconds. It's a stretch that you're holding for a period of time to stretch that particular muscle. Dynamic stretching is stretching that you do while moving. So a basic one that a lot of you know is arm circles, because you're stretching out your shoulder joint with movement. Ones we do on campus, because this is what we do on campus all the time now at the beginning of Phy Ed class. Let's say butt kickers, high knees. It's stretching out your hips, your quads, your hamstrings. Also, your upper body, because your arms are bent at 90 degrees and you're swinging them from front to back. So you're getting that shoulder joint lubed up. So the basic difference between static and dynamic is static stretching is stretching that you hold for a period of time. Like I said, 15, 20, 30 seconds to stretch out that particular muscle. And dynamic stretching is stretching that is movement, and it's kind of athletic based, but it's movement to warm up those muscles. That's it for this week, scholars. I just wanted to get that I just wanted to explain that so you guys knew the difference, because we've been doing a lot of dynamic stretching on campus, and the static stretching is the stuff we used to do, or it's not so much old school because I still think it's very important. I still do it myself, but the dynamic stretching is just a little different, and it's great for Phy Ed class to warm your muscles up and get you all athletically warmed up for the particular activity we're going to do for the day. So if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to email Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck. Otherwise, we'll be seeing you guys around the block pretty soon. Have a good one, scholars. Bye.